we're having to drill a lock to an Onity door key card, usually found in hotels. The lock is no longer working, so the only way to get back into the room is by removing the handle, taking a 1/4 inch drill bit, marking it at 2 inches, then drilling through the lock until the edge of the tape is at the handle. Then what you do is, once you do that, you take an awl tool and you access the clutch, and you're able to unlock the door. So let's go ahead and drill. And pretty much that's what you gotta do. The lock is actually still good. Just need to disassemble it and replace the parts that are damaged. And that's what it takes. Thank you.